Okay, so good morning everyone. This morning I will explain it to you how this application applicable to all field services or businesses like purchasing system. So for example, if the customer want to purchase a products, and then they will input all the data through their cell phone, or you can browse it in a web browser. Okay, so for example, if you have the products already purchased, you can view here the all purchased. So for example, this one, and you have the receipt number or the amount. Okay, so like this. So there is a supplier name, there is a supplier cell number, and then there is a supplier address, the date when the customer purchased. So and then the product name will displayed here, and then the unit of measure here, gallon, the liters or the cartons, then the quantity of the product you want to purchase. Okay, and then you will put a unit price, and then there is the amount here, and then the in charge, you can input the in charge contact cell number. Okay, there is the customer addresses also, and then when there is the product complaint, you can input the leak or it is good or not. Okay, so for the remarks here, it's depend how the products look like. Okay, then you can capture the image, or after the image, if it's okay it's okay, if it's not it's not, and then you can have a receipt picture here. Okay, so that's it. And then if you want to, I will show you here how the customer input all the data through the cell phone or through web browser. So for example, this one, so if the customer wants to buy that product, okay, you may click here like this. Okay, so you can input the supplier name. It's either how you set up the data. There is a supplier name, for example, you can select here the Petron, the Shell, or the Phoenix. Okay, and then the supplier contact number, you will contact it like that. Then you have the supplier address, so like that. So this one, if you will apply it to your phone, you can have a map, or you can put the exact address where the supplier address came from or located. Okay, so the supplier date, then you can input the receipt number here like that, and then the product. So regarding the product, again, it's depend how you set up the product. It's you want a brick fluid or the like whatever products you will put there, and then the unit of measure, the quantity, the unit price, you can input that here like that, and then the in charge name, blah blah blah, so you can input that in charge, insert in. You can make a signature here. You can put your signature of the in charge signature, and then the customer name, you can input her. Okay, and then the customer contacts or 9560 data blah 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 blah, and then you can have the map here, the customer address, you can input there, and then the products complaint, if there is a product complaint, you can put here, okay, broken, leak, deform, or cut, or whatever. Okay, and then after that, you can capture an image here, before image, what's the look like of your product, and then the remarks, and after that you can after the product, and if it's okay you can click no or yes. It depends how the product look like. And then the receipt here, you can picture your receipts. Okay, so the date purchased and then the signature of the customer. So that's it. So if you want this, you can click the link below. Okay, so thank you for watching.